This is the summary created from the video. Cloud Computing Introduction. Cloud computing is a technology that provides ubiquitous, on-demand network access to shared computing resources that can be rapidly and provisioned with minimal effort. It offers essential characteristics like on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, and elasticity, promising massive scalability, resilience, homogeneity, geographic distribution, virtualization, and service orientation. The architecture of cloud services involves infrastructure, platform, and software layers, where infrastructure as a service provides virtualized hardware resources like virtual machines, servers, and storage. Platform as a service offers development tools, databases, and runtime environments, and software as a service delivers applications like email, CRM, and games over the cloud. Different types of cloud deployment models exist, including private clouds like IIT KGP's Megamala for internal use, mainly infrastructure as a service, public clouds like Amazon for IaaS, Azure for PaaS, and Google Docs for SaaS, hybrid clouds mixing private and public cloud resources, and community clouds shared by organizations with specific common goals. Virtualization is a key enabler of cloud computing, allowing multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical machine or hardware, facilitated by hypervisors like Xen and VMware that act as virtual machine monitors, emulating hardware and providing advantages like OS portability, easy backup restoration, and clean testing environments. Cloud computing offers advantages such as low-cost, scalable providers for resource availability, anytime, anywhere access to services via web browsers, rapid scalability, incremental costing, and load-sharing capabilities that enhance flexibility. However, there are concerns regarding performance, reliability, service-level agreements, data security, service parameters, application features choices, interaction between providers, and lack of standardization. Cloud computing enhances data reliability through distributed redundancy and universal access, offering benefits like low computing costs, improved performance, reduced software costs, and compatibility, as well as advantages such as theoretically unlimited storage, access to the latest software versions, and enhanced collaboration. Potential drawbacks include constant internet reliance, slow speeds, limited features, and data loss risks. Virtualization in cloud computing enables dynamic provisioning of customized execution environments for authorized clients, with different virtual machine categories catering to diverse user needs with varying resource configurations. In summary, cloud computing enables ubiquitous, on-demand access to pooled computing resources, offering scalability, virtualization, self-service, and resilience. It defines infrastructure, platform, and application layers through IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, and caters to deployment needs through private, public hybrid, and community models. Virtualization facilitates OS portability and dynamic environments, while the cloud promises cost savings and flexibility but also raises concerns. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.